Let's make a paper doll. This craft project is from the book Draw and Learn Animals. You can download additional copies of the template from artessi.com. To make the paper doll, you will need a printout of the template, watercolor paper or cardstock, crayons, a pencil, and scissors. Start by cutting out the patterns. Trace the pattern onto a thicker watercolor paper. Next, draw the details of the face. Now we're ready to color. Color the penguin and the heart before cutting it out. Add extra details to your doll, such as hat, scarf, or a sweater. Also, let's color the back of the paper doll. Remember, art is all about being creative and having fun. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Every scribble and splash of color makes your artwork special and unique.